Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba.
Decision
What?
hapa.
Baba, you said you had a stressful day. Wanna tell me about it?
Yeah, of course I would want to tell you, but in my line of work and for me to find out who's a race. Then I could suspect a client yangu.
I understand. Tell me what you can then.
Well, I met this young and beautiful girl, you know. And she went through something really terrible. And you know me, I start to feel really bad because I hate seeing people going through so much pain, and I get stressed out at times.
The world was made that way. What was Simba?
Yeah, I know, but there's something so special about this girl, and I feel attached to her, you know. That's why zvinyanondirwadza, and I don't want to get attached. Zvinozondinetsa kushanda kwacho naye.
You'll be okay. Don't worry, right?
Okay, fine.
You'll be fine. How are you feeling?
Better. Thank you.
The massage, you know, Shanda.
Yeah, I feel better. Stressing, I don't want this. It's just unbearable.
I'm here for you. Every day I understand it. Just don't want you to bear these stresses on your own.
Okay.
I want to shinga ndesa magromusha.
It had to be done, man. Since I found a way to manage to find out God's this.
Man, I really do hope you made the right choice.
I hope so too. You know, since 2019, I'm getting old, you know.
Yeah, you're right on that one.
And my options are just repo. And I'm an African man, you know.
And, so we should be a very good African man here.
Man, don't get me wrong though. I love my wife. I love her so much. Sometimes you can have everything that you need in a woman. Yeah. But then you have this one thing, the challenge that I have. To disturb everything good.
Man, I can't pretend that I know what you're going through. I don't. But man, what I know is good. She needs you, man.
Yeah.
And you need her too.
Yeah, we need each other.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Saka iwe bhebha rwakarorwa.
Ndinombororwa, but I have a boyfriend. I started to ikoko. I like him. Or let me say I love him. Chiriko. She guys.
Makasangana sei?
It's funny. The first time we met accidentally. Then kichituka chofuti. We met accidentally somewhere. Saka jangasangana nema-accidents.
And I just saw my tongue.
Yeah. Bofonera.
Ah, accidentally. How accidentally?
Pardon.
It's a long story, guys.
Make it short.
Tafamba ngumwe musi saka ndakabvutirwa pesi yako pakumhanyisa mbavha pai iye wacho akabva adhumana nembavha ukadona basi mbavha kwakutiza sainini manje neungosvikwa ukandisi kuziva wangu akapfeka zvikafanana mboziva kuti mbavha ndeipi iwe chigubhu zvese ingotanga waro wachikika ipapo akatozotacheuka ndotozoona kuti hasiri.
Hello baba Tanya.
Hi.
Ndimbori busy pane zviri kuitika.
Uri busy name? Panafe?
Aiwa mani, hapana afa bani. Tiri bo. Ndokufonera ndapedza.
Yebo. Adzawa. Chi.
Anongo ari busy.
Busy news that what must go say.
You know, I'm also a marriage counselor. And don't want one charity for you, my child. For your husband, if you don't crown him, if you don't value him, if you don't pick him, then maybe you know, you should learn to build your husband. Because there are battles that he fights for you. And you don't want to be another battle that he has to try and fight. So, excuse me. I have to go check this quote. Lily, come help please. Also, here, so that
Tsvage bhutsu nejusi. Zvinobuda unopisa nomuzvidereni.
That was a telephone.
Saka stop calling nigga.
Do you miss me?
No, and I don't miss you. Toto phone say we want to do phone. Do you miss me?
No. Ndatongo phone or any mistake. Katu. No mistake. Ndupera singa.
Kwenda ndio zokutorera.
No. So I wasn't Dora. I want you to worry about me. That when the zoto jao no pesa zwarezo chingondifunga je.
No, won't worry ni ndichita worry ni. Uzoya nemaputi nemafrisi sandika. Bye.
Okay, goodbye. Ndifungidzise maputi nefrisi.
Wautosita jaya ke.
Because if I feel like a jaya, and the father did, and they're totally jaya. And it feels good, you know.
You are smiling. Must be that boyfriend.
It's complicated.
But if it makes you smile, Machikubata's queen. No, don't let that go. Anyway, that's not my story. Ndinoda kungokutenda nezvauri kuita zvibatsira Lily. Taitomonesa baba Tanya. Tichivati zvecounseling, I don't believe in counseling. Ndezvevarungu izvo. But I can see it's really working for my sister. Thank you so much. You're doing a great job.
You're welcome. It's always a pleasure. You know, in my kind of work, success comes by making a difference in someone's life. So yeah, I enjoy it so much.
Anyway, ndikanditi asati apedza ndiyakutokunonotsa manje.
Women are always 15 minutes late anyway.
Babatani. Bangor kuri babatani. You know how worried I get kana kauya kumba this late. But at least they were phone. Vandudzwa kuti uri kupi. Babatani, I'm sorry for the way ndakakupindura the other day. I was wrong and wangori right pawaitaura kuti zvone zvo ndakukukangana. I can clearly see that now. Babatani. Babatani.
Phone yangu.
Babatani, ndinakaseva kunzi B mphone wako.
Hani?
Babatani, there's a contact in phone mwako to send a message rakanzi B, and I know B emusikana. Ndiani?
Ngokaenda chikoro. Wazoti B nyushi. No, let's not fight. Tired, can we just sleep?
Babatani, ndati B ndiani?
Nyushi. Chazoti ndise mbudzi yangu password manje. Ndonorara.
Kuti ndinorara wakamborara papa.
The number you have dialed is not available at the moment. Please try again later.
Andisonza umusha. Andisonza umusha. Andistomboza.
Chiri kuti urunzwe
Musoro mudumbu zese.
toita se toenda kuchipatara toita se
Ndine shamwari yangu inogara pamusoro. Pazasa.
padzasi papo
Apo.
saka tokwanisa kumubata sei
Ndiperekete.
tokuperekedza unokwanisa kufamba unokwanisa kufamba
My turn. Wakagara unge shirikadzi ko, what's wrong? Babatani is not picking up my calls. It's either akanditsamwira kana kuti ane girlfriend.
That's okay, you'll come. But do you guys talk about your issues? Like, do you get time to discuss English cheating or?
Phone yangu ndimo. Phone.
unoziva namba dzake
Oh, sorry, let me take this.
I think Beverly is right. Why not you give up Babatani? Don't worry. Lily, I just feel like something is wrong with him.
Yes. Ngirigomba kwenye yako mbele.
Okay, I'll be right there. It's okay. I'm so sorry. It was an emergency, so I'll call you, right? I'll talk to you.
Yeah, it's okay.
Stay well.
Take care of Lily.
It's okay. Okay, fine. I'll see you. Are you okay? What's wrong? Ngoni. What's wrong?
No,
Come, we're going to search better.
no hospital. I need to rest.
Ngoni, we are Auntie. Okay, you attend on board, right? Auntie. You'll be fine, Auntie. Wait, man, do turn on. Remember. We don't do to the motor sense. Do so, guys. Ngoni. What's wrong? I feel like Ngoni. Ngoni. Ngoni, what's wrong newe muka? Ngoni. Wake up, Ngoni. Hello, Getty. Auziva wona Ngoni zaiti angouya kunoko ende hasi kumuka. And arikuita unga arasa foni handisi kumbona pairi. Auziva hama dzake here, anotombozivi kwaanogara. Hapana hama yake yaunoziva.
Manje handina hama yake andoziva ini. Mira ndiyo ikoko mai manje.
Alright. Ngoni, wake up. Please, usanidaro Ngoni, wake up.
Chijetika gate. Ndiana ngafona.
Hanzi batanya wakufira kumba kwefamily. And this is good for me and business.
Chichikanaka pakufa kwemune gate. Hande ngori ngotoenda wakanobatsira.
Cham. Mind your own business. Otherwise you won't get this. Yeah.
Kiti sit. Ngabhodari resha. Ayo wakamia tisipako. Nyame mwe rambiro sadza sha. Hande tsiri kuchesho.